everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today is a very exciting day. Today I received my pre-order, my big brown box, and it's like one of the best times of the year. The new annual catalogue is coming out. 4th of May is the day you guys will all be able to order something, but for now, Demo's got to do a pre-order, and yeah, I have goodies, so much goodies. So this will be the new annual catalogue, and it is filled with gorgeousness, and I can't show you inside, unfortunately, until the catalogue goes live, but I will order you all a copy, so let me know if you would like a new catalogue. This is the time where I order all of my new in colours. And these are the new 5 in colours for 2021 to 2023. They'll be with us for 2 years. We have Fresh Freesia, Pale Papaya, Evening Evergreen, Polished Pink, and Soft Succulent. They are really pretty colours. Really pretty colours. Now, so new in colours. What do we get? Stamp sets, of course. Ink pads. Ink pads, of course. And ribbons to match. This is our new open weave ribbon. And it's beautiful, and it's sheer, and it's lovely. And Stampin' Blends in all the colours of prettiness. Look at me go. I love it. Also got the new Stamp Right markers. They come in all the 5 colours as well. And the new in colour jewels. They are our bling, and they are blingy. They're super pretty. And also the new in colour designer series paper. They're the 4 designs. And they also, again, come in our 5 colours of gorgeousness. We've still got lots of that. Look, pretty, pretty, pretty. And last of all, in our in colour stuff that I got was new shimmer vellum. Have you ever seen such a thing? I don't know if the light's going to pick this up, but it is shimmery. Shimmery, shimmery, shimmery on one side and smooth on the other. Just sparkling. It's so pretty. What am I going to make with all this? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I wonder if anyone, by just seeing these, has a new favorite color already. I don't. I love them all. I haven't stamped with them yet. I've tested my markers. That's about the excitement of it. But yay. So much pretty. So I have all of my new colors. And then we could order a few more bits and pieces as well. So we couldn't order the whole catalogue just yet, but we could order some things. One of my wish list items was available, and it is the Elegantly Said. It's called the Simply Elegant Suite, and it comes with a punch, which I've punched out in the pool, and it comes with Simply Elegant trim in the gold and silver, and also delicious. Can you call DSP delicious? Perhaps not, but Simply Elegant Designer Series paper. Also shimmery. Look at this. It is gorgeous. So this side we have these pretty patterns. Can you see? Do they shimmer for you? Oh, they are really gorgeous. So all of one side is all metallic. If I flip them over, it is not metallic, but just gorgeous patterns. Just Simply Elegant, because that's what it's called. It's the new Simply Elegant Designer Series paper. Just beautiful. So can you see, that is actually like the same flower in the stamp set. Bring it into line. Beautiful words. I do love this font and how the F for the wonderful goes through the other words. Just gorgeous. Happy anniversary. Just beautiful. Look at this flourish. Yeah, I think I can see that embossed. Just, yep, love it. Love, 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 love it. Okay, so that was one that was on my wish list. Then I purchased something that wasn't particularly on my wish list, but I do love the sentiments of this. This is part of the Pansy Petal suite. It comes with the Pansy patch stamp set, the Pansy dies. It comes with some bumblebee trinkets, which I did not purchase. I just bought the bundle, and the Pansy Patch Designer Series paper, which has all our new in colors in. That's why I decided to go with this one. So yeah, they are pretty. So all on this one side you have all the imagery of the pansies and the leaves and the florals. Spin it over and we have some gingham. There's lots of gingham lovers, some stripes, some spots, and some other patterns. So, and really cool trick with this one, your dies will, where have we got them? So our leaf dies will cut the leaves from our designer series paper. There's that one, and also the little fatter one. Spinning around, we'll cut them. And also on the big piece, this piece, we can cut out the pansies. So instead of even stamping them, you can just die cut the pansies, the big one and also the smaller version. How cool is that, right? It's pretty amazing. So yeah, so like I said, I wasn't as keen on this, but I wanted all the new in colory bits, and I love the sentiments. They're just happy birthday, thank you, handy little hello for me, and wishing you a little extra happiness just because you're you. The things you do, the little things you do make such a big difference. I love you much. I just love the font, I love the words, and I think it'll be pretty fun. Pretty fun. Ooh, something else I thought of. This is a photopolymer stamp set, and the new ones have changed. Don't know if you recall, these are our photopolymer stamps. It used to have the imagery on one side, and you would put your stamp onto there. Now it is actually on our stamp set, so you can actually remove your stamps and attach them to your stamp set, and you'll know that they're all there because they all will fit perfectly in there. So that's pretty exciting. That's something new. Something new. So that is the new Pansy Petals suite. picked up a couple of extra just random items. I did get the Bark 3D embossing folder. So, and this is what it looks like. It's just like textured bark. So yeah, I picked up that one. I think that was like the only embossing folder I could get at this stage, but there's some pretty ones coming, trust me. And the party puffins, because who doesn't need a party puffin? Because they're just a bit too cute. And his little fishy present, I think that's the cutest one there, and the one with his hat on. Yeah, love them. They're cute. I do like this happy birthday font. Cool for a kid. Yeah. So yeah, that's my fun set. And then another random item I did purchase, which wants to curl up today. This is a new 12 by 12 linen specialty paper. So it's got the texture of linen, and the other side is just like your cardstocky stuff, and it wants to just curl up. But that is my really super cool something different. Something different. I like to get something different. So my usuals and my something different. So now you have it, our beautiful new in colours. We have our fresh freesia, pale papaya, evening evergreen, polished pink, and soft succulent. Beautiful. Let me know if you got a favourite. And our new annual catalogue coming up on the 4th of May. Exciting, exciting times. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.